Hello YouTube, back with another what's in the box, and besides some dog hair probably. Yeah. Anyways, so today I've got a Ulefone, I don't know how you pronounce it. Looks like Ulefone, like Ulefone, but Ulefone 16 Note, or Note 16 Pro. So this is the Pro version. What makes the Pro version? Yeah, I'm not super sure. It says it comes with up to 128, which this one is 128 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes of RAM with 8 gigabytes of virtual RAM, so a total of 12. I think they do have a larger, like 256 model with a little bit more RAM. Also, I think it's 8 and 8 from what I had saw. But I got this off of the old Amazon for like $106 or something ridiculously like cheap. I thought, I've heard of Ulefone. They make like some random phones with like what are those? Those rugged phones or whatever. They make those sort of thingies, which I thought about getting, but they just probably aren't that good. This is through Amazon returnable, so if you don't like it or if it doesn't work as your expectation, just send it back. It is 4G only, as it says on the box. It is powered by Android 13, which is pretty impressive. So that, and of course, it's probably not going to get an update. I'm almost sure of it. 4,400 milliamp battery, side fingerprint, 4G only network. Yep, I get that. Most of them that are this cheap are not. 50 megapixel dual rear camera, 6.52 water drop display. Sure. 4 gigabytes of RAM, expandable to another 8, so a total of 12 with virtual, which we all know virtual is a little bit slower at accessing. 128 gigabytes of ROM is my version with octa-core processor. All right, well, enough of all that stuff. Let's see what's actually inside this here box. My trusty dusty, is it trusty dusty? Yeah, I think it is. Trusty dusty Ninja kitchen knife. Never dulls. Sharpens forever. Something like that. It's got like a little sharpener thing with it. But we're not here for that. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh. The satisfaction of the slide. All right, so there's that. Pretty standard, right? Pretty standard. No, get that out of the way if I kill myself with it. Stab myself open. So pretty standard stuff here, right? Let's get to the actual, oh, look, there's an ejector pin, right? And I see all that going on there. They always give you the little ejector pin, some sort of housed in the back. So there's your little SIM ejector tool. Got it. Note 16 Pros, I guess that's its official title. Got some little, oh, look, colored photos even. Definitely is expandable, because look, it already shows you here. Dual SIM or expandable. Nice. It doesn't say what it's expandable up to, does it? And it certainly won't tell me in that language, because I speak whatever the heck that is. Russian, maybe? I don't know. Nondel Simon, yeah, I don't know. But it's expandable memory up to something. Very iPhone looking from what the photos show. All right, next. Safety cards, because you've got to be safe. Warranty, charging instructions. Yeah. Uh-oh. Hello. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Notice. Your Ulefone handset is incompatible with your carrier. Your Ulefone can't work with your carrier. You need to activate the SIM card on an existing phone which supports your carrier. After you receive the initial activation test to get 4G, 3G signal, put the SIM back into your... What is all this stuff? I mean, make sure it works with your phone. This is a US version, but it's not going to work with AT&T because they don't do squat with Chinese phones. That's just how they are. What do you, yeah, anyways. I got T-Mobile through Google Fi. Pretty sure it works through that. I know it'll work through just T-Mobile. So keep that in mind. Whammo. Ooh, nice little case action here, right? God, that looks like a... When I was looking at the reviews on this and stuff, in the pictures, it looks totally like a freaking Apple phone. Oh, USB to C cable, we got that. Yeah, pretty standard stuff there. Charger. It did say it supported quick charging up to like, I think 66 watts or something like that, which I thought was pretty good. Maybe it wasn't that much, and I can't read with this random glare on here. So It does support fast charging, whatever fast charging is. So is there anything else in here? Looks like all FBI. Nothing. All right. Phone time. Nice little packaging. Pull it off. Got the little cover sheet. Tells you all the good stuff that we already talked about. I did get the, I think they call it Midnight. I don't remember what it was. Purple or something or other. It says it's got a power button, volume, and then it's got the dual SIM stuff. So let's take a look at the back color. That's a pretty nice color, I think. I mean, I'm a guy, obviously. I don't think that's a bad color. Some kind of, you can have a case on it. You could probably get a colored case if you didn't want it clear, but I mean, I don't think that's not bad at all. Looks pretty good. Plastic, yeah, what isn't, right? Here's the side. Oh yeah, here's a little fingerprint sensor. You can see that. Up and down volume rocker. No speakers on the top. Not necessarily the best thing, but did I mention it was $106? Oh, look, a headphone jack. Yep, because who uses those? Oh, maybe somebody does. I don't know. Must be a single firing speaker, but maybe it's got a dual, but I somehow doubt it for that sort of money. And then you got the SIM card ejection thing over here. Oh, look here. Ulefone. Dun, 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 dun. Let's power this thing up and see what it looks like when it starts, huh? Give you a little preview of what yours will look like. There it is. Definitely not an AMOLED screen. Some sort of LED, LCD type screen, I'm guessing. And I am guessing. Anyways, that's what you get, guys, for a Ulefone Note Pro 16. If you like my video, please give me the old thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe if you like. I do some unboxing videos with phones as I get them. And I'll probably review some older ones as I get. I have a bunch of phones that I haven't ever reviewed, so maybe I'll start trying to do that. Have a nice day.